Welcome back to another episode of the Ali Show, your podcast from Bectran, where you can expect to hear about real problems every credit and AR professional faces daily in the B2B space, as well as implementable solutions from your peers in finance. My name is Ali Kilwai. I'm the Director of Product Implementation Engineering at Bectran. As part of this role, I lead the overall strategy and growth of the product, as well as work with our partners in the solution space to deliver valuable products to our clients. This is a new episode of the Travel with Ali series. This time we travel to Cleveland, Ohio for the NACM Credit Congress and Expo, which is one of the biggest conferences for credit professionals. It's a very exciting episode. In this episode, we talk to credit partners and customers and ask them about their favorite parts of Credit Congress, what trends they are seeing amongst their customers and vendors, what they would like to offer to their customers and users to make their lives easier, as well as the economy and more. So let's jump right in. You're on the podcast, Len. Why don't you introduce yourself, what you do, and what are you excited about at this NACM Credit Congress?
I'm Len Brown. I'm the Senior Director of Commercial Credit at Floor & Décor. Well, I'm just glad, first of all, to connect up with everybody who I've known all over the years, all my vendors and people that I work with. But second of all, just to learn about the new information that's out there, new products that are coming out so that we can do credit better.
What would you like to offer your users, in terms of technology, process, or anything else? Like, what do you think your users in your department are asking for?
Just anything that can make their job quicker and more efficient. AI, for example, in a call, they can summarize the data and they don't have to type it in and it gets into the...
We have that. I don't know if Shooting showed you that. I just kidding.
She did. But yeah, that's just got like one example. It's just about efficiency and getting them to be more into the professional side of things instead of the mundane tasks that get done over and over.
What would you like to offer your customers to make their lives easier?
Just quicker credit approvals with obviously using the Bectran platform helps us do that, and with all the stuff that we're able to build within that platform.
Thank you, Len.
Yep.
Hey, Dave, introduce yourself, what you do, and then what are you excited to learn at this Credit Congress?
Well, I work for Beacon as a Senior Credit Manager. I'm just forward to learn more about construction and technology.
What do you think your users are asking for most right now?
Automation and how does AI help us do our jobs better and faster?
And what do you think you'd like to offer to your customers the most?
That's an excellent question. Sometimes I don't think our customers may know what they want, honestly. Yeah, I think simplicity. Our customers, they're like busy people like everybody else. They want simplicity and ease of use is what I would believe.
Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome, sir.
Jayce, Jamie, you're on the podcast now. So what are you excited about at this Credit Congress?
I'm Jayce Alfonzo, and I'm the Regional Credit Manager for Carrier Enterprise Florida. And I'm really excited for the Expo and to socialize and network with all fellow credit associates.
Hi, this is Jamie Jones. I'm the Director of Credit for Carrier Enterprise. And I'm excited this year for also the Expo, but the educational sessions, networking, looking into vendors that could possibly, suit some of our needs.
What do you think your users are looking for the most right now?
The users are mainly asking for automation, electronic invoicing, things like that.
And what do you think your customers are asking for the most right now?
Pretty much the same thing.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. You're on the podcast. Why don't you introduce yourself, what you do, and what are you excited about at this NACM Credit Congress?
My name's Neil Eichholz. I'm with Ashgrove Cement. Big fan of Bectran. They have helped us out so much. I can't speak more volumes about the services they offer and always getting back to us. Easy turnaround on credit apps, great for decision making, clarifies the process, gets the job done.
Thanks, Neil. What do you think your users are looking for the most right now?
Looking for the solutions that you're already offering us, as far as I can tell. So we don't have any complaints. That's the good thing.
Thanks, Neil. Alec, why don't you introduce yourself, who you are, what you do, and what exactly are you hoping to do or hoping to learn at this NACM Credit Congress?
Thanks, Ali. My name is Alec Papesch. I'm the Director of Strategic Partners at NCS. what I'm hoping to achieve at NACM is to learn more about what's going on in the credit industry and introduce people to the technology to make their lives easier.
What do you think your customers are asking for most right now?
Right now, lien waiver automation. That's the most common thing we've been seeing. We work primarily with general contractors, subcontractors, and raw material suppliers, and everybody below the general contractor are asking for more and more lien waivers. It's an administrative burden. It's a pain to everybody, and we have the technology to help ease that burden on the credit teams, and partnering with folks like yourself make that a reality instead of just something that is the buzzword AI, machine learning. Like, it's actually a practice that can be done.
And what do you think we should expect in the coming months and years, given the economic climate and the technology wave that's come?
Yeah, the economy. I mean, if I knew for sure, I would. If I had a crystal ball, it'd be a very different conversation. But I'm bullish on the economy. The demand is still there. The supply is a little bit more of a question given all the economic policy that's being done with the new president. But at NCS, I mean, we had a nice first quarter. We're expecting trends to continue that direction. So we're optimistic that at least construction is going to be in a position where there's still going to be activity in the notice and lien space, which means there's probably going to be some delinquency causing some increases in our world, but that just naturally happens with more demand. So demand continues to stay high, supply continues to stay high, and the economy will just kind of fluctuate whether delinquencies and bankruptcies are high, which will obviously help our volume, but we're bullish overall.
Thank you. Why don't you introduce yourself, what you do?
Devon Logan, Vice President of Credit, USLBM.
Tell me one thing you're excited about at this Credit Congress, just one thing.
Just see all the good vendors, all the new products out there, the new things we're working on as far as innovation, so super excited to see some of that.
Thank you, Devon. Why don't you introduce yourself, what you do, and what are you excited about at this NACM Credit Congress?
Kevin Stinner. I'm a regional credit manager for JR Simplot. And honestly, I'm just excited to meet new people and hopefully learn new things.
What do you think your users are looking for the most right now?
So users are really looking for something that's easy to use, a much easier experience, customer experience, better business flow, to actually follow the way that credit managers make decisions.
What kind of changes would you like your vendors to bring outside of the software they provide?
I'd like to have a vendor who talks to their customers to find out what the customers are looking for before they design their product. So actually know how a vendor does their daily workflow, so that it can fit into the way that they're actually working their accounts before they finish their design and implementation.
Thanks, Kevin. Yeah. Why don't you introduce yourself, what you do?
Yeah, sure. I'm Rudy Schatzmann with Altus Receivables Management. We're the largest commercial collection agency in North America, and happy to partner with Vectran.
Can you tell me what you're excited about at this Credit Congress?
Credit Congress is a great mix of meeting new potential clients and mingling with existing clients. It's fantastic.
And what do you think your customers are asking for the most right now?
So what they're asking for the most is more automation and simplifying all the processes.
What do you think your users are looking for the most?
Well, a lot of what they're asking for is because we're very technology oriented over at Altus, so they enjoy the technology that we have in our platform with the KPIs and being able to measure everything. And then the next level is integrating with the fintech companies to be able to automate the process and the data flow between the two.
Thank you, Rudy. Thanks for listening, and definitely thank you to all of our friends, customers, vendors, and whoever else stopped by our booth at Credit Congress. Obviously, special thanks to all of those who are featured on the podcast that took the time to give us these valuable insights. We really appreciate it. You're doing a really big part in educating the industry and helping us to make sure that everybody is informed of the new advances as well as trends in the industry. To all of our listeners, we hope this gave you an insight on what is currently happening in the marketplace and the direction credit and AR teams are moving in. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts channels, or really wherever else you get your podcasts. We're everywhere. There you can also find customer testimonials, webinars, and other useful content that you can use. We look forward to seeing you all again in the next episode. Thank you. Bye.